I'm Catherine Keene, and I own and operate my own small firm in Brooklyn, New York. I've been in the tax business for over 30 years. That's the polite way of putting it. I will say that next tax season will be a milestone year for me. I've been a member of NATP in excess of 25 years, which is kind of interesting since I'm only 28 years old. The DSUE, for those that don't know what I'm talking about, is when we die, we have an amount of money that we can transfer, either money or property, to our beneficiaries. But what we have knocking on our door is the sunsetting of tax reform. And this is the danger, because absent congressional action, the exemption is going to go from 13 point something million, crash down to 5 point something million. I think it's 5.24 million. So even that person that says, oh, I don't have affluent clients, think about what the average person has in their 529 in their their 529 plans, but the average people have in their 401k, their life insurance, and their home. You could be knocking on that $5 million door. And so taking care of that DSUE and giving it to the surviving spouse protects them from Congress falling asleep at the wheel and not doing anything. And that is the crux. That's what we're going to talk about.